Hello everyone! Today is a new day, new life, new beginning, and new lesson. So our topic for today is about zero and negative exponent. So we will tackle first the first one, which is the zero exponent. So when we say zero exponent, any non-zero number raised to a power of 0 is equal to 1. Meaning to say, anything that is raised to 0, if the base is not 0, then the answer is always 1. So a raised to 0 is equal to 1 if a is not equal to 0. So meaning to say, a is our base. As long as the base is not equal to 0, then the answer is always 1. So to understand the lesson, we will tackle the example. So 111 raised to 0, that is automatically 1 because the base is not 0. Next, example number 2. So if you notice, we have here close and open parenthesis negative 7, a cubed, b 7a, and c raised to 1. So this is automatically 1. Why? Because if we multiply 0, everything inside, so this becomes 1, this becomes 0, 0. So 0, anything that is raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 1, 1, 1, and 1, then automatically 1. Therefore, if you see something like this with close and open parentheses and the exponent outside the parenthesis is 0, then the answer is automatically 1. Okay? Next, example number 3. So in here, what is the difference between example 2 and example 3? So if you notice, we have another number outside the parentheses. Okay? So meaning to say that negative 5 is not included with the exponent 0. So simply copy negative 5. And then since the close and open parenthesis with 0, that is automatically 1. So 5 times 1. If there is a number in here and we have close and open parenthesis here, that means you're going to multiply. Okay? So negative times positive is equal to negative. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, our final answer is negative 5. Got it? Next example, number 4. So in here in number 4, look. Negative 7, 8 to the 4th. So, 8 to the 0 power, I should say. The 0 power here is not included with negative 7. So, copy negative 7, and then a raised to 0 power is equal to 1. So, we're going to multiply it with negative 7. Next, plus, if you notice, 8 is included in the close and open parentheses. Therefore, the whole thing raised to 0 is equal to 1. Next, copy negative sign. 3 divided by c raised to 0. So, copy 3 since 3 is not included with the exponent 0. So, c raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, we need to simplify. Negative times positive is negative. 7 times 1 is 7. Next, plus 1. Next, negative 3 divided by 1 is equal to negative 3. Kasi negative divided by positive is negative. Okay? And 3 divided by 1, any number divided by 1 is equal to the number itself. Next, perform the operation. Negative 7, negative 3, they are like signs. So negative, negative, copy. Next, add the number. So 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1. Unlike sign, so copy the sign of the greater value, we have negative, then subtract the number. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, the final answer is negative 9. Got it? Next example, we have number 5. If you notice, number 4 and number 5 are almost the same. The only differences is the positive 8b raised to 0 and positive or plus close and open parenthesis, 8b raised to 0. Look at the differences. So again, in here, a is not 0. The exponent 0 is not included in negative 7. So just copy negative 7. A raised to 0 is equal to 1. Next, plus 8 is not also included in the exponent 0 because there is no close and open parenthesis. So just copy 8, then multiply b raised to 0 is equal to 1, and copy 3 all over c raised to 0 is equal to 1. Simplify. So negative times positive is negative. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Next, positive times positive is positive. 8 times 1 is equal to 8. Next, negative divided by positive is negative. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Next step, simplify. Okay, so combine the numbers with negative signs or like signs. So negative, negative, just copy the sign negative. 7 plus 3, 10. Why do we need to add? Because they have the same sign. Next, positive 8. Since they are unlike sign, copy the sign of the greater value. The greater value is 10. The sign is negative, so the answer is negative. Then subtract the value or number. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Therefore, our answer is negative 2. So, if you notice 4 and 5, their answers are really different because the close and open parentheses plays a big role in the equation. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and I hope to see you again. Thank you for watching. So, again, before we end up, I just want to wrap up. Remember that anything raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay? We will focus to only 1. Bye and keep safe. Thank you for watching.